Well, we're not getting any snow here in South Mississippi, but we are getting rain with ice. And you can see it hitting the truck. If I'll shut my mouth for a second, you can hear it. So we are getting absolutely no snow, but it's cold. I mean to tell you, it's miserably cold. I'll show a few pictures that I took around Highway 90 and a few street signs that's got a lot of icicles hanging off of them. But my God, it is brutally cold. I'll get you another shot of the ice falling on the truck here. God, it's cold. So basically that's it. Like I said, no snow, but a lot of freezing rain. And I mean to tell you, it is miserably cold. I know Alabama got slammed pretty hard. Wherever you are, stay warm. So then there you go. I mean, I can't even talk. It's cold.